All right, y'all, we're going to start at clever.sfusd.edu. We're going to scroll all the way to the bottom until we see this Adobe Express. Lovely, there's the bell. Then we're going to go ahead and click on Adobe Express. I have it all logged in here. This is our main page that we're going to start on, and you're going to create a video. You can create from scratch or browse templates. I think create from scratch is just as easy to use. So I'm going to go ahead and click create from scratch. And it'll take a second to load. And then my first intro page is going to be just sort of an image. So I'm going to imagine that I am doing something around smoking. So I'm going to go ahead and choose search smoking. I think videos are kind of cool. So I want something maybe like this. This one's only 6 seconds. And I want to make sure that I have, when I add text, that it's really legible, that you can read it. They have all these really cool text effects. So maybe I'll go like this and choose something like this. And you want to have a catchy title, right? I don't want it to say shiny. I'm going to go ahead and say, let's see, I'm going to go ahead and change it so that it says cigarettes kill or something like that. And then I'm going to make sure it's small. Now, this picture in this video is actually pretty easy to see, but just in case, you want to make sure that you can actually read the words. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click on this background picture. It's trying to load. This computer's kind of freaking out. And then I'm going to go ahead and go down to opacity, and I'm going to change that so that it's just a little bit lighter. And then that makes my text easier to see. Okay. This might be a little much just because it looks kind of fun and exciting versus like killing somebody. But, and there you go. And then I'm going to record my voiceover. So I'm already obviously recording, but I'm going to go ahead right here. I'm going to go to media. And then I am going to go to audio, and then I'm going to record a voiceover. So I'm going to say, I'll allow my microphone. I'm going to say, cigarettes kill by Miss Maynard. So I recorded my voice. I'll be able to see it right there. I can play it. I might even want to scoot it back just a little bit. And now I have my voiceover and it'll play. The second scene, maybe I want to add my quote. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to go to media. Maybe I want a photo. Maybe I'm going to use a quote that has to do with a teen, maybe. Teen cigarette. I don't know. I don't really see anything. Oh, maybe like this one. She's like, what is happening? I'm going to go ahead and make her a lot bigger. And then I'm going to put in the quote. So I'm going to go to text. I'm just going to do some regular text for this. So I'm going to out of text effects because it kind of takes a minute. And I'm just going to click add your text. Now, when you're adding your text, you want it to say like according to, and it would be the article. I don't have one in front of me, but we're just going to pretend. I'm going to say according to the article, and you're going to put the name, teens and vaping, comma, and then quotation mark, more teens than ever are smoking or vaping. Okay, so I'm just going to pretend that that's a quote. Oh my gosh. And then I'm going to put a period and close quotation mark. Obviously, this text is really big, so I'm going to go ahead and make it a little bit bigger this way and then a lot bigger this way. And then that way I have my text that goes right here. I have given the article. I'm going to make sure that I highlight this and that I underline the name of the article. And now, even though I copied it word for word, I get credit because I said where I got this information. And then I'll go to my next one. Maybe I answer question 1 or question 3 or call to action. And basically each of those slides off of each of the little boxes off that slide at the end, that's each of those is going to be a little scene. You're going to also go back in, right, and do your media and record according to, and you'll record the reading the quote and things like that. And that's it. If you need help, if you're stuck, please let me know.